Still on the terms of community, one of the biggest things that I see across social care at this moment in time is that we often push people to have presence within the community. And we want people with disabilities, whether it's learning disability, mental health, or other persons. We want them to be seen in the community. We want them to be present in the community. And more often than not, people will have these support plans that say, you're going to this club, you're going to this shop, you're going to go and do your shopping. But that's not good enough. It's not good enough in the modern day and age. Having presence in your community doesn't actually mean that you belong, doesn't actually mean that you're integrated within your local community, doesn't mean that you're accepted and respected by your peers. So therefore, we have to go that one step further, and we have to start pushing for equality within local communities, whereby people do actually belong. They don't just have that presence. They're not just seen. They are there and they are part of their community. I think Scott touched on earlier about the employment figures, um, which is massive. I think Scott mentioned around 50% for people with disabilities, 82% for people who are classed as not having a disability. If you then move that down to people with a learning disability, those figures become even more stark. You've got about 5.1% of adults with a learning disability actually in paid employment, and that is an absolute disgrace in this modern day. You can break that down to 6.2% for men, 4.8% for females, 82.7% for the general population. So what are we actually saying about people with learning disabilities? Not only are we writing them off in education, not only are we writing them off in community, but we're also writing them off in terms of employment. Yet nobody's took the chance to be able to understand whether people should be employed. More often than not, when we do, people are able to enter the workplace freely. We just need businesses and organizations to change their mindset and give people that opportunity.